I'm about to do something crazy with my hair and I can already hear you guys yelling at me from a mile away, so let me explain. So I have very flat and straight hair. 2 months ago, I was using the Fable Mane volumizing spray on my hair and this was the result. They just launched their volumizing shampoo and conditioner and I'm gonna try it on half my head for you to actually see.
Okay, this is me applying it. It's very hard to film yourself showering, but what I like about Fable Mane is that they use plant-powered ingredients, like they use onions to promote hair growth and strengthen your hair, but most importantly, they use this plant called fenugreek, which plumps strands and adds volume to the hair.
I just finished showering and I'm spraying some heat protectant spray on my hair and then I'm gonna blow dry it. I'm excited. Okay, let's see here. Moment of truth. Oh, wait. You see that? I didn't do my hair yet. I just finished blow drying. I'm scrunching it up and it's not holding. Okay, I just styled my hair and just look. The volume. These two products are out today exclusively on the Sephora app, so go get it. Because who doesn't want big hair?